Okay, number two, flowchart, flowchart, and rearrangement. That's the skill I'm going to quickly talk about in 4 or 5 minutes. Question number two, page 71 in Walker Maths. Okay, so make P, the letter P, the subject of I equals P R T. This is a simple interest formula, and they are asking us to make P the subject of the formula. So, where do we start? As you can remember, last time I said draw the flowchart, start from the answer you want to get. P should be the subject, write it down. So what did I do to P? I multiplied it by R. See that? I multiplied P by R, and that gave me PR. And then I multiplied this PR by letter T, and that gave me P times R times T. Remember, in algebra we do not write the multiplication sign. Then what did I do? I divided the whole thing, P times R times T, whole thing by, I divided this whole thing by 100, and that gave me P R T over 100, which is nothing but I, isn't it? That's the I is the principal rate time and divided by percent because we need to change it to percent. Now, on the way back, when we are going in the backflow, we got to divide. So that was divide on the forward run. So it will be multiplied by 100. So it's going to be I. That was the result of everything. I times 100. And I can simply write it as 100I. Remember, in algebra, we do not write the multiplication sign. And then I'm going to divide, on the way back, I'm going to divide it by t. I'm going to divide this one by t. So that'll give me 100I divided by t. Normally, we show divide in algebra by writing as a fraction, and then we got to that was a multiply on the way forward. So on the way back, it will be divided by R. So finally, the P should be, this should be equal to 100I over T, and I'm going to divide it by R. So the final answer is P equals 100I over TR or RT. RT would be better, I think. So I'm going to write it RT. And that's it. See that? So we got to remember way forward, backward flow. So just like a backtracking in equation solving. Just remember that. I'll stop there